Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send one-time watchable messages on WhatsApp. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. If you're new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is a one-time viewable message on WhatsApp? A one-time viewable message on WhatsApp is a media sharing feature that allows you to send photos or videos that can only be viewed once by the recipient. After it's opened, the media disappears automatically and can't be reopened, saved, forwarded, or screenshotted in most cases. It's designed for quick, private sharing without leaving a trace in your chat history. Why use one-time viewable messages? This feature is especially useful when you want to share sensitive or private content temporarily, like showing a password, a photo of a document, or a moment you don't want permanently stored. It's WhatsApp's way of giving users more control over their privacy without compromising ease of use. Benefits of sending one-time viewable messages. Ensures greater privacy by deleting the message after it's viewed once. Prevents saving, forwarding, or taking screenshots of a media. Keeps your chat clean without unnecessary media buildup. Reduces chances of your content being misused or shared. Gives you more control over your shared sensitive content. How to send one-time watchable message in WhatsApp mobile version. To send media files. Launch WhatsApp application on your mobile and open a chat. To send media file as one-time watchable, tap on the pen icon. An options list will open. You can choose camera to capture picture right now, or you can choose the gallery to send pictures present in the gallery. Here, I'm choosing gallery. Then it displays the MEDIC files. Tap on the picture to select it. Then on the right bottom, you will see an option as indicated. Tap on it to enable one-time watchable feature. Later, tap on the send icon. To send voice notes. Open a chat on WhatsApp, and on the right bottom corner, you will find the mic icon. Long press on it and move to top to make the recording hands-free. Then you will find the one-time viewable option. Tap on it to enable. Later, tap on send. How to send one-time watchable message in WhatsApp desktop version. Launch the WhatsApp application and open a chat. Click on the pin icon available on the left side of the chat box. An options list will open. Choose the Photos and Videos option. A dialog box will pop up and allows you to select the files. Select a file and click on Open. Then the image will be displayed as showing in the tutorial. On the right bottom, one-time watchable icon will be seen. Click on it to enable. Later, click on Send. That's it. This is how you can send one-time watchable messages in WhatsApp. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.